want to know how to apply for a credit card and how to use it properly? Then this video is for you, and please watch this video till the end to know all the vital informations about how to use it. We know that credit cards can be a bit confusing and overwhelming, but we're here to make it easy for you. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about credit cards, including how to apply for one, how to use it, and how to manage your credit card in a responsible way. But before starting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the future contents. First, let's talk about how to apply for a credit card. If you're over 18 years old and have a steady income, you're likely eligible for a credit card. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, address, and income when you apply. You may also need to provide proof of identity and proof of income. Once you've submitted your application, it will be reviewed and you'll be notified of the decision. Once you've been approved for a credit card, you'll receive it in the mail with instructions on how to activate it. Before you can use it, you'll need to activate it by either calling the number on the card or by visiting the bank's website. Once it's activated, you're ready to start using it. But please note this carefully. Do not share the banking OTP or password to anyone else. Fraudsters can withdraw money from your credit card if you share those details with them. OTP is a one-time password which you will get via SMS whenever you will try to do an online transactions using your credit card. Now, let's talk about how to use your credit card. The first thing you'll need to do is set a budget for yourself. This will help you keep track of your spending and make sure you don't overspend. When you're ready to make a purchase, you can use your credit card just like how you use a debit card. Simply swipe or insert it into the terminal, enter your PIN, and the purchase will be approved. It's important to remember that every time you use your credit card, you're borrowing money from the bank. So you'll need to repay it back. A huge amount of interest and the full amount borrowed will be charged if you do not pay the full amount by the due date. The interest rate on credit cards can vary, so be sure to read the fine print before you apply. It is important to pay the full amount due, not the minimum amount due, to avoid any interest. Now, let's talk about how to manage your credit card in a responsible way. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure you pay your bill on time every month. If you don't, you'll be charged late fees and your credit score will be negatively affected. To avoid late fees, you can set up automatic payments or reminders to pay your bill on time. Another important thing to remember is to not overspend. It's easy to get carried away when you're using a credit card, but it's important to remember that you'll need to pay it back. So, stick to your budget and only spend what you can afford. Finally, let's talk about credit card rewards. Many credit cards come with rewards programs, which can give you cash back, discounts, or even travel miles. It's important to read the fine print to understand how the rewards program works, and to make sure you're actually getting a good deal. In conclusion, credit cards can be a great tool if used responsibly. By applying for a credit card, activating it, setting a budget, paying your bill on time, and managing your spending, you can make the most out of your credit card. And don't forget to read the fine print and understand the interest charges and rewards programs. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like the video and do subscribe to stay up to date with all of our future contents. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, happy shopping.